Today we want to have a look at pH and pOH of a solution. The definition of pH is the measure of hydrogen ion concentration or hydroxyl ion concentration. That means you can use hydrogen ion concentration or you use hydroxyl ion concentration. The concentration of hydrogen ion is represented with this symbol, a square box with hydrogen ion inside of it. While the concentration of hydroxyl ion is symbolized with the square box or the rectangular box and the H3O plus, that is the hydroxyl ion. Now, if you want to define pOH, we can derive pOH as well as the measure of hydroxyl ion concentration. The concentration of hydroxyl ion is represented with the box, the square box containing OH negative, which is the hydroxyl ion in the box. So take note, anytime you see a square box in chemistry, it represents concentration under calculation. Take note of that. While in a chemical reaction, when you see a square box, it represents sign of oxidation. Now, let's now express pH and pOH mathematically. pH can be expressed mathematically as the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration to base 10. While pOH is the negative logarithm of hydroxyl ion concentration to base 10. So now, meaning that this can be used to calculate the pH and pOH of a solution. Let's now look at how pH and pOH are related, and as well how the concentration of hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion concentration are related. All right. Let's see how concentration of hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion are what? Connected. Okay? If you say this is the hydrogen ion concentration multiplied by the hydroxyl ion concentration, and the result will be 10 raised to the power minus 14. So when we look for when we have the product of the concentrations of hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion, the result is always 10 raised to the power minus 14. But when we add their pH, the pH and the pOH of a solution together, the result is 14. So meaning that if you know the pH of a solution, you can as well find the pOH of that same solution through this formula and the other way around. That is, if you know the pOH of a solution, you can use this to get the pH of that same solution. Now, when the value of pH obtained is less than 7, we say that the solution is acidic. But when it is greater than 7, we say that the solution is alkaline. That means it's a basic solution or base solution. While pH, when equals to 7, is said to be neutral. So, and this is what we used in the neutralization reaction when acid reacts with base to form salt and water only. So the pH of neutralization reaction of a completed neutralization reaction is 7. Now, let's have a look at these questions to see how we can solve problems relating to pH and pOH.